In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on channels in Microsoft Teams. Posting in a channel is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do in Teams. It's how you share updates, ask questions, and keep everyone on the same page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of choosing the right channel and creating a post, and I'll also give you some helpful tips so your messages are clear and easy for your team to follow. First, make sure you've opened Microsoft Teams and signed in with your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Teams icon. This is where you'll see a list of all the teams you're a member of. Next, you need to select a channel. Think of channels as different topics or areas within a team. For example, you might have channels for general discussion, announcements, specific projects, or departments. Take a moment to choose the channel that makes the most sense for the message you want to share. Click on the channel name to open it. When you do, you'll see the Post tab, usually at the top of the main area. This is the conversation space for that channel. Now click on Post. In most versions of Teams, this means clicking into the box at the bottom of the Posts tab that says something like Start a new post or Start a new conversation. When you click there, a text area opens up where you can type your message. Go ahead and write what you want to share with your team. Try to be clear and direct, especially if you're giving instructions or making an announcement. You can press enter to add new lines and keep your message organized. Before you send it, take a quick moment to proofread your post. Check for any typos or missing details to avoid confusion later. If you want to make your message stand out more, you can use simple formatting options like headings or bold text from the formatting toolbar, but this is optional. When you're ready, press the send button, usually shown as a small paper airplane icon. Your post will now appear in the channel, and everyone who has access to that channel will be able to see it, reply to it, and react to it. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to select a channel and click on Post to share a message in Microsoft Teams.